All right, so right now we'll do quadratic formula. So quadratic formula, you need to know this song. So this song, I will be uploading the link in this description below. So the song goes like the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So if you remember this formula, then it'll be a lot easier for you to solve a question where it's in decimal. So in Sec 2, what happened is that we learned this by using either this method for some school, the box method, or the cross method for some schools. So different schools use different things. But in Sec 3 right now, we'll be using the quadratic formula to do this kind of 3 terms solving, okay, whereby you involve a square term, an x term, and a constant term. So how are we going to use this formula after you have memorized this? What does this x refers to? This x refers to all this here. Okay, so before I start, I must always identify what is my A, B, and C. So to find out what is my A, B, and C, it's referring to the coefficient. So the coefficient of x squared is 3. Coefficient of x, you need to be careful, is -7. And c will be -2. Now I can start inputting it into my formula. So my formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So be very careful of this plus minus, but before we get there, we always input the formulas first. So minus b, I like to write down as minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alrighty, so now I'm going to input what is my b. My b is -7. My b is -7. A is 3 and C is -2. Oops, the last one is not 2a, it's 2 bracket. And the A is 3. Okay, so right now, we're going to do it slowly because negative and negative give me positive. So it's +7 square root. Now put this whole thing into your calculator right now and see whether you get the same answer as me. All right, so if you do it carefully, you should get 73. Now, because of this plus minus, we're going to split it. So it means that 7 plus square root 73 over 6, or 7 minus square root of 73 over 6. Okay, so right now you can put that into your calculator. So if you put that into your calculator, you get, make sure it's in 3 sig figs, 2.59. Or if you put that in your calculator, you should get -0.257. In bracket 3SF. And that's all you need to know for quadratic formula. All right. So right now you can try to practice another question. So you can try out this question. X squared plus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. And see whether are you able to get this answer. If you're able to get this answer, means congratulations, you have mastered the beginning of Set 3 E-Math and A-Math. That's all.